Hey there, hope you're having a great one. I'm here today to show you how to cook, not wasting your time, so let's get right to it. Oh, and by the way, thanks for watching. I appreciate that. Oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We then mash 2 bananas in a mixing bowl. There's nothing wrong with the dark one. That's what happens when you try to prolong an old banana in the refrigerator. The peel turns dark, but the inside is still good. Next, I'm adding the ingredients you see on the screen, then beat it on medium speed for just about 30 seconds before adding flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Beat for a minute and it's ready to be baked. One bowl operation, no need to dirty anything else. Just a couple notes. Canola may help with your cholesterol as it has the lowest saturated fat of all oils. The main source of fiber in our bread is from oats and coconut flakes. This loaf of bread contains 25 grams of fiber, which is the recommended amount of fiber a day for everybody. Adding just 1 or 2 slices in your breakfast or afternoon snacks will be great for your cholesterol, heart, and digestive system. Also, you may notice I'm not adding any sugar. The bread is already slightly sweet, but by no means. You can add 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of sugar if you like it a little sweeter. After greasing and flouring a bread pan, we pour the batter in, garnish with some coconut flakes and oats, then bake for 60 to 70 minutes, or until a thermometer or a small knife test comes out clean. The bread is fully cooked when the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that, it's beautiful. Now we just let it cool down on the rack to almost completely before serving. Although it is already really good, but it actually tastes best the next day, as the moisture from the inside will redistribute throughout the whole loaf. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. A thumb up to show me support. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future quick, easy, delicious recipes. Thanks again for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.